The king cobra is arguably the most feared and respected snake in the world. It's massive, aggressive, and extremely venomous, and with more than 1,000 deaths per year, it's no wonder that people fear it so much. But there's much more to these magnificent creatures than their venom and ferocity. So today we gonna be telling you why exactly the king cobra is the most feared and respected snake in the world. Number 4. Deadly venom. The venom of the king cobra is one of the deadliest in the world. It's a neurotoxin that works by blocking the transmission of nerve impulses in the body. This causes paralysis, which eventually leads to death. What makes the king cobra's venom so unique is that it contains a protein called calliotoxin, which is one of the most potent neurotoxins known to man. Calliotoxin binds to a specific receptor in the body and blocks the release of a chemical messenger called acetylcholine is responsible for transmitting nerve impulses that control muscle movement. So when it's blocked, it can cause paralysis. In addition to calliotoxin, the venom also contains other toxins that cause tissue damage and inflammation. This combination of toxins can be fatal to humans. And in fact, the king cobra is responsible for more human deaths than any other snake. New. 3. A unique behavior. The king cobra is one of the few snakes that can spit its venom. They do this by flicking their tongues rapidly back and forth, which creates a suction effect that sucks the venom out of their fangs and onto their prey. This allows them to inject their venom quickly and accurately, which increases their chances of a successful strike. Not only can they spit their venom, but they can also aim it at their target. This is because they have two sets of venom glands, one that sits at the back of their mouth and another one that sits further down. When they want to spit their venom, they contract the muscles around the back of their mouth, which forces the venom out of their fangs. However, when they want to swallow their prey, they need to use their front set of fangs. This allows them to grab onto their prey and hold it while they swallow it. No. 2. Intelligent creatures. The king cobra is one of the most intelligent snakes in the world. They are able to learn from their experiences and remember what works and what doesn't. For example, if they try to eat something that's not food, like a rock or a stick, they'll eventually learn to avoid that item. King cobras are also capable of social learning, which means that they can learn from other king cobras. This allows them to pass on knowledge from one generation to the next, such as how to find food or how to avoid predators. Number 1. Standing out. There are many different types of cobras, but the king cobra is the largest and the most venomous. It's also the only cobra that doesn't live in Africa. King cobras can be found in a variety of habitats, including forests, grasslands, and swamps. They're also the only cobra that's active during the day. All these factors make the king cobra stand out from the rest of the cobras. Although the king cobra is feared by many, it's an important part of the ecosystem. It helps to keep the population of rodents and other small animals under control. The king cobra is also a source of food for other predators, such as eagles and tigers. So, even though it's deadly, it's an important part of the food chain. There are many different myths and legends about the king cobra. In some cultures, it's seen as a symbol of power and strength. In other cultures, it's seen as a symbol of danger and evil. There are also many stories about the king cobra's intelligence and its ability to learn. One of the most famous stories about the king cobra comes from India. It tells the story of a man who was bitten by a king cobra. The bite broke his leg and he was in a lot of pain. But instead of panicking, he stayed calm and walked 12 miles to a hospital. He made it to the hospital before sunrise and was able to get treatment. The man survived the ordeal and lived to tell the tale. So, what do you think? Are king cobras scary or are they just misunderstood? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing animal videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.